Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to give access to Search Console. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure your team members or clients can view and manage your website's performance data. This process is straightforward, typically taking just a few minutes to complete. You'll learn how to assign appropriate permission levels, ensuring everyone has the right access without compromising security. Let's get started. Search Console offers 3 primary user roles, each with distinct capabilities. The owner role provides complete control, allowing full management of all property settings and data. A full user can view nearly all data and perform certain actions, like submitting sitemaps. Lastly, a restricted user can view most data, but cannot make any changes or take actions within the property. Choosing the correct role is crucial for effective collaboration. Adding a new user to your Search Console property is a simple 4-step process. First, navigate to the Settings menu, usually found on the left-hand sidebar. Next, select Users and Permissions. Then, click the Add New User button and carefully enter the email address of the person you wish to grant access to. Finally, select their desired permission level, such as full or restricted, before confirming your choice. Managing existing user access is just as important as adding new ones. From the Users and Permissions section, you can easily review all current users and their assigned roles. If a team member's responsibilities change, you can quickly modify their permission level, perhaps upgrading them from restricted to full. Should someone no longer require access, you can simply remove them from the property with a single click, maintaining security and control.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.